In front of me is the Doogee S70, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first, you need to open your Play Store, then click on your account icon, and select Manage Apps and Device. And here under Updates Available, you will be able to find all applications that can be updated. So you can smoothly download the latest version right here. And you've got two options. You can either update one particular application, for example Google, just click on Update right next to its icon, or you can update all by tapping on Update All, and then all apps will be updated. As you can see here, you will be able to observe the progress. Also, you can use your device in a normal way, and it will be done in the background, so no worries, it will be updated here. And this is it. This is how you can update your applications. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.